Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. And I don't ever get to do this because I'm a laser engraver. We don't really get to use colors, but this is the colored harmonies in Corel Draw. And I'm going to close that down so you'll know where to get it. So I just brought in an item, a colored item. I'm going to go to Windows, Dockers, and Color Styles. Then take your graphic and drag it into this box. And then that's your color styles. Now, let's say we don't want that white, so we can add another group and see now it's put the white by itself. You know, you could have several groups. Well, let's just put it back to 2 groups. Say okay, and there's our color harmony. So now we can pick this, and this will open up, and if we wanted to make the sun red or a little bit yellow, or, you know, you can change the contrast or the saturation. There's a lot to this. I don't really play around with it too much. But let's say you get the sun where you want it, then go to the other folder, and they're going to all move kind of independently or together. But you can get away from that too. I mean, look at that. So if you click on it and then click on, see, I don't know if you can see that. It's like a double ring versus center. So you can just change one color at a time to get what you want. I personally don't get to use this because as a laser engraver, we just get to use blacks and red, but you can see how it's changing the graphic. And then you could always click off of it and then, well, let's change folders and go back. Now they're all double circles, so they're all gonna go back to a blue. And then that sun is now orange. So if you want to make it yellow, want to make it a light blue, you know, a fire red. So Windows, Dockers, Color Styles to get this. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.